compositor na nakabunot sa akin ay si Sir Joey G. Tsaka ang napili niyang song is Can't Keep On Loving You.
Itong do, it's D. Kasi you're doing it CH eh.
Feeling the way I do, I can. I admit the fact na very limit yung range. Very limit din yung power na pwede mong i-exert while na kinakanta ko yung kanta niya. Sa isang magaling na singer, yung way ng pagkakakanta mo, yung mga techniques mo, nandun, mapapansin at mapapansin ka na.
How do I get close when she looks like an angel? A moment over time just seems impossible to me. It's hard to find the words to get to know this stranger. I'm scared of what she'll say if what I say sounds incomplete. And it feels like we belong together. Can someone tell me where do I start? 'Cause I can't keep on feeling the way I do. I can't keep on hiding my heart from you. I gotta say something before someone else comes through. I can't keep on from a distance. From a distance. From a distance. Comes through. I can't keep on loving you. I can't keep on loving you. From a distance.
Miss Cherie, did he hit it right?
Alam mo, wala akong alam talaga sa nangyayari sa bahay niyo. I just heard that you're one of the... Ang paus ko pala na pag naririnig ko yung sarili ko dito. You're one of the more straightforward guys in the house. Yet, on stage, parang hindi yata nag-swak yung pagka-straightforward mo sa bahay. Parang feeling ko you're holding back. You're still playing safe. You have a beautiful voice. There are not too many men now, boys, men, that we find who can sing very well. We have more females. So, the more men, the merrier. Why not? Kaya napansin ko, when I close my eyes, parang hindi nabubuo yung mga phrases mo, yung end notes mo sa buong phrase. I'm not a musician in that sense, but somewhere along the way, naiintindihan ko yan. Parang nauubusan ka ng hininga. Bring out some more of yourself. You're the oldest, I think, in the competition, no? No? You're not? Or how old are you? 20. Okay, so far you're the oldest. So I would think that you can bring it out some more. Don't hold back. Bring out your straightforwardness on stage.
Yun din yung point ko exactly, di ba? Nung sinabi ko na parang, last week, sabi mo, I promise you, he can hit those high notes. So yung mga dinagdag yung mga falsetto parts na yun, yung mga matataas, okay siya eh. Pero parang bitin eh. Parang yun nga, parang you're still holding back. You have to let go. Give it your all. Every Sunday, kailangan bigay mo lahat yan.
I agree po. I agree. He's holding back. Pero I think that's one of his strengths. Kasi he's not showing his full potential yet po. As he goes on through the week, he's gonna get better and better.
But he cannot risk that, JR.
He can't. He can't.
He cannot. He has to
And that's
do
why
it every
listen to everything that they say.
competition,
Parang
every episode.
parang you are too much in control.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang if you're
Let loose.
confident about hitting your high note, let it go. Let it rip. Diba? Sabi nga, diba?
Every
Todo mo.
episode is one step away from being ousted, di ba? Or in. So you gotta give it your all in every. And there's got to be growth. Well, nagpapagkatotoo lang ako dahil hindi naman ako makikita next week. So magalit na kayo sa akin. Pero kung ibabalik ninyo ako, di makikita ko yung growth.
Mga kinatics, vote for Kenneth, ha?
Marami kang
Ayan na.
fans!
Malalaman natin yan. Good luck, Kenneth
Heartthrob.
and JR. Kaya kung gusto niyo pa makita next week si Kenneth, iboto lang siya by texting Protege space Kenneth and send to 367 and 2344. Ito naman, tignan natin ang ating live ranking. Number 1 pa rin si Jensen, followed by Nomer at pumapangatlo si Criza.